garbage can.
Corner!
Hands here,
Let's go!
hands up!
I got hands!
Hands up! Stand up! Stand up! Turn around!
Hey, climb out!
A bizarre and guns-drawn chase through backyards ends with a suspect emerging from a garbage can naked. The action is real and the stakes are high. This is Copcast. I'm Chris Stewart. We start with some newly released body camera video that you just have to see to believe. Let me set the scene for you. It begins when police approach a stolen vehicle and find a suspect inside sleeping. Also in the car, a female and a young child. The suspect then wakes up, takes off on a chase, and was driving for more than 100 miles an hour at one point. Then the vehicle crashes, he gets out and runs. We've received the body cam video of the chase that happens after that. Watch how this goes down and just wait for the moment that police catch up with this suspect.
I think we might have. We'll make sure it gets put back. Okay, so who am I tracking right now?
Jacob Patterson, eluding PC.
No, like actually right now. Who ran this way?
That's the way I came. I stopped right here. Might have been one more street. So this is where we stopped.
I almost bought this house.
Did you?
Yep.
So I stopped here, and then Ollie and Jason went down all the way and around. But you went that way?
What's the address? Is it
7210.
7210?
I think that's what she said. What she said?
This one.
72.
Yep.
So he ran behind it?
He was in the backyard?
64, we're gonna check behind 7210, 188.
You just want to finish good.
You want it? Take them?
There's some boards over there you can play.
Hey, by the way, the stories that we cover here on Copcast prove that life is unpredictable and having a great attorney matters. And that's why I want to take a moment and give a shout out to our sponsor, Morgan & Morgan. This is the law firm with more than 1,000 attorneys and a history of winning. Just in the last few months, they were able to secure a $9.3 million verdict for a car crash victim in Florida, a $5.6 million verdict for a car crash in Atlanta, and $1.8 million in Kentucky. And in that case, the insurance company was only going to offer $5,000. So even if you don't think your case is worth millions of dollars, why not fight for what you deserve? Morgan & Morgan makes it so easy to file a claim. You can do it with just 8 easy clicks on your phone. So if you're hurt and you need to file a claim, head over to forthepeople.com/copcast. You can also use a link in the description of this video or scan the QR code on your screen.
The police. The police.
Yes, they're close.
The guy ran away from us. Would you mind going back in the house with him? His dog's running his truck. Yeah. Thank you. No, you're good. We just don't want him to become confused. Lots. Lots.
Yeah, hey guys, that gate is open over there.
Hey dude, come out of there right now or you're gonna get bit by a dog. He's in the garbage can.
Cornell!
Hands here!
Let's go!
Hands up!
I got hands!
Hands up! Stand up! Stand up! Turn around! Turn around!
Hey, climb out! Put your right hand, hey,
Don't worry
hey,
about the
everybody stop! Use your two hands and lift yourself up by going on the grippers. Do it now! I want you to use your hands and jump out of there.
I do jump out here.
Yes, and then you're gonna turn around.
I promise if you comply, you're not gonna get bit. You don't comply, you will get bit.
Please don't let him fucking bang me, man. Naked.
Come
Turn around. Don't move. Okay, I'm going in. Don't. Hey, Courtney, you have a blanket or something?
Boy, buddy.
All right. You guys can't put him in your car.
No, not like that.
Yeah. We'll put you in this car. Oh, you have one?
I'm open.
You always got everything.
You have any injuries?
You got any injuries?
No. Yeah.
No? All right.
So you know you're being audio and video recorded.
You're going to jail.
County 344, we need fire.
Negative.
Not 27.
Wait, what? I've got an emergency.
Okay, will you face the alley with the kids?
Yeah.
Jacob Patterson faced several charges, including reckless endangerment and possession of a stolen vehicle. And this is a look inside that car where they found him sleeping. His girlfriend and a 4-year-old child were in the car during the chase. The 4-year-old not buckled in as that car was driving. Here's video of a deputy on scene taking care of that young boy as they search for his dad. That child was turned over to Child Protective Services. Taking a bride to her wedding day is a very important job, but apparently that doesn't give you a free pass to allegedly speed. I want to show you this newly released body cam video we got in from Port St. Lucie, Florida.
How you doing, sir? Let's see your license, please.
I don't have my license on me.
This car registered to you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Steven.
Steven what?
Martinez.
So you can see the driver has a bride riding shotgun, but he doesn't have his license and he was allegedly blasting the speed limit. A short time later, a police officer returns.
Sir, exactly why are you doing 105 miles an hour?
This is her wedding, and I'm taking her to her wedding.
You're probably going to go to jail. You're probably going to jail, so she probably should call someone to come get her.
Why am I going to jail?
For doing 105 miles an hour. That's reckless driving. You understand that, right? Plus you have a warrant out of Broward County. You know that, right? Well, where's your license?
I left my wallet at home.
Huh?
I left my wallet at home.
Were you born in 1993?
Yeah.
How do I go?
After a few more minutes of paperwork, the officer returns again.
Whose wedding is it?
It's mine.
What time is it?
It's 30.
Where at?
In Stewart at the courthouse.
Hey, you're already late.
We're trying to get
Just give me a minute. I'll let you take her, but I'm going to give you a court date. It's a mandatory court appearance.
Thank you.
All right? Well, I take that back. You have a warrant out of Broward for failing to appear on an open container. So,
Oh, that's in Ohio. That's not in Broward.
okay, it says Hollywood, Florida. It's weird. It says Hollywood, Florida entered it, but then it says Bowling Green.
Yeah, Bowling Green is Ohio.
Okay. All right, so just give me a minute to write the ticket.
Even though going 105 could mean jail time, in this case, it appears the officer was going to let the bride get to her wedding as quickly as she could. Now to a shocking case out of Indian River County, Florida, of a man who thinks he's talking to a hitman. He was allegedly trying to hire someone to silence a girl who he had sexual contact with allegedly when she was a minor. But that hitman he's talking to is in fact an undercover deputy, and the camera was rolling.
Easier. It would be cheaper just to kill her.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
I mean, if you're saying 20 and another 25 just takes
25 and 25. Be a total of 70.
right? It'd be cheaper to kill her.
Andrew Mustapik was set to be sentenced next month in a plea deal for sexual contact with a minor after allegedly forcing a 17-year-old into a sex slave contract in exchange for a car. Before he was arrested, deputies also say that Mustapik was caught on camera dumping electronics into a river, which will be used as evidence in the case. He is now being held on no bond. Now to a case out of Ohio that is going viral. Long story short, a raccoon was found in a car trying to use a meth pipe not once, but twice. How do we get to that point? Let's roll the newly released body cam video.
Go again. Hi, how are we doing today? I'm Officer
Good.
Brandon, Springfield Township Police Department.
Stop it, Josh. How are you?
So the reason I stopped you is you are suspended with a warrant for your arrest.
I am?
So do me a favor, turn off the car, put the keys up on the dash.
Okay, can my dad come get the car? I got insurance.
We're gonna figure.
Okay.
I copy.
Okay, let me try roll this. Can you open my door though?
1 second here. Just do
Okay.
as I say.
just want my
put the
dogs
key.
to jump out.
I gotcha. So.
Yeah.
Shouldn't she pull around?
Yep. Who's that?
That's Ricky, little Ricky. He told me he was walking up here because we just came from Walmart.
I gotcha.
That's all.
Well, I was gonna say I saw you over there.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Well, little Ricky, do you mind? Your name Ricky?
Yeah, that's my friend.
This is your friend? Are you with him? You like trying to ride with him?
Yes, he
Kind of,
was.
but I was just out
Okay,
here
do me a favor, man.
putting
Well,
information and
I got
things
you.
in.
Do
Yeah,
me a
but
favor and just sit on the front of the. If you want to, you can. I don't care.
You know.
But do me a favor, man. Just step out of the vehicle.
Yes, I will. Look at all this stuff here. Here. Oh, my phone.
Is that a raccoon?
Yes. He's a rat. Yes.
We're gonna do everything right here. So just step out of the vehicle.
You gotta open. Okay, my door.
I have to open the.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you.
Take my money. Oh, God. Don't let him get in my meat. Sorry, my car's trapped.
You're fine.
Oh, my carrot. I don't need to fight off.
All right, do me a favor. Just step back here.
No problem. I had a warrant for my arrest. I talked to Carl.
So just do me a favor. Just turn around. I'm gonna place you in cuffs.
Okay.
Just to detain you for that warrant, and because you are suspended actively. So.
Oh, I thought.
So Cuyahoga Falls PD does have an entered warrant for your arrest.
Oh, I talked to them. I called them.
Is there anything in the vehicle I need to know about?
No, but
anything illegal?
No.
Okay.
No.
224. You can send ahead on that 45. I have her detained.
Yeah, I said that. Asked my mom. The paper's right up there in the front. What is that, my cigarettes?
No, just a credit card. All right.
Oh, my
just do me a favor. We're gonna walk back to my car up here. We're gonna walk back to this side.
What? Can he roll the window? Listen, no climb out of my car. My dog jumps right out.
I will.
I just want you to shoot him, please.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Is your dog friendly?
He is, but yeah, he's like.
Okay. Well, so who's that in the car with you?
This is my mom.
Your mom?
She's 77.
All right. Does she have a valid license?
No.
Okay. So just do me a favor. Have a seat.
Okay, but my dad. Okay, my dad bought me the car, and you know what? And he can come and drive it. I have insurance.
Can your dad come pick your mom up?
He'll come and take the car. He can't with the animals. Can I call him and see?
I'll grab your phone. Where's it at?
It's right there in the front.
Okay. All right. Just do me a favor. Put your feet in the car.
Right.
So the officer puts the driver in the cruiser, then turns to the multiple animals that she has in the car, including that raccoon.
She's looking for a leash for the raccoon. She said that the raccoon's been living in the car. Dude.
We're technically homeless.
Let's just hurry this up because I don't. We're about to get poured on. Unless you want to be sitting outside in the rain with a raccoon and a dog.
Watch your feet when you get in. Watch your
there's
feet.
You got some critter.
My dad's.
Some awesome critters.
I don't know where anybody else or anything. He just lives off a triplet.
Your dad's on his way. Did you check this stuff?
Yeah, there's a pack of cigarettes. There was Narcan sitting in the center console.
Okay.
So I'm figuring that's right around this area is where the dope is, if they have it. But I can't really open the door.
Why is it trying to actually get out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And they're saying it's a pet.
You got him? Okay, hold on.
Has he growled at you?
No, he hasn't growled, but he's eating, I think, hamburger meat, it looks like. He's living life, man.
So you hear the officer mention the Narcan in the vehicle, but also the raccoon has been living in the car and appears to be eating hamburger meat that's on the floor of the car. This story is already odd. Now it goes to a completely new level.
How far away is your dad?
He lives off a triplet. He's just getting home. Over by the Goodyear blimp hangar.
Oh. Hey.
What?
I should not come here.
Hello?
The raccoon has her meth pipe.
As what?
Oh my God.
Her meth pipe. He's playing with the meth pipe right now. No, don't reach for it. That's evidence now.
Oh, I don't want him to have that.
That's why I'm gonna do it. Hey, buddy.
Huh?
It's okay.
Okay, you're on. He'll be here in 2 minutes. I'm right across from my house.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what she's smoking meth in.
Okay.
The raccoon's playing with her meth pipe.
All right.
Oh, there's no way. He's trying to smoke it.
All right. Thanks.
There's no way. All right. Enough fun and games.
Here.
Holy hell.
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, he's on his way here.
Keep an eye. She was trying to take the meth pipe out of the car. Just keep an eye on her real quick. All right. Well, your raccoon gave you away.
Oh, that no.
Yeah.
I swear to God, it's not mine. You can test me.
Ma'am, it was in the driver's seat. The raccoon literally was playing with it. It was in the driver's seat. It was in a sheets bag in the driver's seat.
Sheets bag.
In the driver's seat. Yes. So you are being charged.
Wait a minute. Is it a pink bag?
No. It's a red sheets bag. So you
Yeah,
are
red
being
bag,
you
red
are
bag.
you are formally being charged
Oh
with this.
my God! You know what? That's not even mine. I swear to God.
It's in the car.
I know, because my friend, I gave Dino a ride last night.
So now let me ask you this.
That's what
This is
Oh my God.
this is where honesty comes into play. So I'm going to read you Miranda, okay? Because now I have paraphernalia, and as soon as that raccoon comes out, I'm searching top to bottom your car.
That's fine.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you for any questioning upon your request. You can decide to exercise these rights at any time and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've just read to you?
I do, sir.
Okay. Is there anything else in this car I need to know about?
Listen, I don't know.
Because this is strike one.
Okay, let me tell you. No, I don't know. All I know is it's a pink. I thought it was pink bag, pink red bag, whatever it is. I don't know, but I would check it because Dino. I gave him a ride last night.
Whatever's in that car, you're being charged with.
Well, please check that bag because if there's something in there, I don't want my raccoon to get it. But I don't know what's in there. All I know is he forgot a bag in my car last night, and he said, "Just put it up."
Okay.
Okay, I don't know what's in it.
55-year-old Victoria Vidal was put under arrest. Police say on top of the 3 meth pipes in the car, they also found crack cocaine and a bulk amount of methamphetamine. Here's a closer look at a picture of that raccoon in the act trying to use a meth pipe. This picture provided by the Springfield Township Police in Ohio. The raccoon's name, by the way, is Chewy and is unharmed. Another case of officers finding something inside a car they would not expect during a traffic stop, but a completely different kind. Deputies in Volusia County, Florida, made an arrest for speed racing. The driver of one of the cars, just 12 years old.
Hold up here. Everybody's license or ID card. Do you have a license?
No, I was testing.
Hop out. How old are you? 12. Bravo 26 Central. You guys have IDs on you?
Call my mom.
I got 2 cars stopped at Delilah and West Parkway.
Sure.
I'll get you tags in a second. And I got 1 security.
Can
What?
Can I call my mom? We're going back home.
Yeah, in just a minute. Step back over here. 26 Central, 2 tags.
My bad, sir.
You're 12 years old.
Yeah.
You on probation or anything?
Okay.
Who owns this car? Who?
My mother.
So she's gonna be mad when it gets impounded today? For racing on the highway?
Yes, sir.
Probably. Anything illegal in here? Guns, bombs, bazookas, grenades, IEDs? How old are you?
16.
What's your last name? Taylor Middle Eye. Anything illegal in the car? Guns, bombs, bazookas, grenades, IEDs, tomahawk, throwing axes. Where were we fishing at?
Huh?
Well, there's fishing stuff in the car, so I'd assume people are fishing.
I don't know where it's at. I don't know where it's at.
Just back there on one of those little finger lakes.
My mom's going to call my mom to tell her where I'm at.
Sure.
I don't know where it is.
Yep, Delilah and West Parkway, but he's not free to go yet.
What up?
Hey, I'm out here in DeLand working traffic in Daytona Park Estates, and I got these 2 cars that were racing on one of the side streets. The driver of one of the cars is 12, and the other driver is 17. And then there's 2 other juveniles with the 12-year-old.
Hey, whose car is he driving?
The 12-year-old was driving the front seat passenger's mom's car.
What the hell?
That car was on the side. This comes up next to it, and they start racing towards me, like side by side.
He's here waiting.
So because I cannot slap them.
Me.
That's your child.
Yes, it's my child.
Corporal punishment is completely illegal. Who's that back there?
You're my kid. Probably somebody that wants to.
Well, the blue lights say no.
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
I got the Corolla, the fast Corolla.
No, okay. Well, he was racing a 12-year-old who was driving the Nissan. So he's getting arrested today.
Who's getting arrested?
Both the drivers.
He's getting arrested?
Yes. Racing on a roadway is illegal.
How fast were they going?
It doesn't matter. They lined up down there. I'm parked on the side of the road watching traffic, and they come racing towards me. Like,
Man.
I'm not driving an unmarked car. I'm in a completely marked patrol car, and they come racing at me.
I know, man, but damn, my son started college this year. He's got a.
Then he needs to get his head out of his. And he knows the driver of this is 12 years old.
I don't like. Can I just?
No, he's not physically getting arrested and going to jail, but he's gonna get a crim cite and he's gonna have to go to court.
Okay.
Which isn't the end of the world,
yeah,
but
damn.
But yeah, you can't be doing this stuff, especially in a closed community where we just had a rollover crash on 5th because somebody ran a stop sign because they're racing. And these new paved roads, everybody thinks it's time to go fast. Give me just a few minutes. I got a bit of paperwork to do.
Yes, sir.
And
you stay right here on the fence.
Yeah, that's what he told me. How old was the driver of that car? Do you know him?
I know him. We go to Taylor Middle High School, so it's a middle school and high.
Oh, I know what it is.
I know he's in middle school, that's all.
And you decide that it's a good idea to race a middle schooler driving a car. He's 12 years old.
I didn't know he was 12.
How soon until you turn 18? Like 2 months. You would be going to jail for contributing to the delinquency of a minor right now. At 18 years old. You're 2 months away from these decisions landing you in jail. And Dad's back there pleading with me not to take you to jail today because you're going to college, you got going right for you, and you've got a car that goes quasi fast and you think it's good. Very stupid. Well, you're getting arrested today. But you're going to end up just getting a citation and you have to go to court later.
Much of that video is redacted because the driver is a minor and won't be an adult for a long time since he's only 12. Finally today, a DUI arrest caught on camera. You could say this suspect was caught red-handed, specifically because his hand was caught inside a can of alcohol when deputies pulled him over in Arizona. Watch this.
What you got on your finger there? White Claw. Nice. So what's going on? You okay?
I'm totally perfect.
You're totally okay? Yeah? I would be a little bit too, yeah. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me.
Yes.
Turn the car off and step out of the vehicle.
Okay, no worries. No worries. Hold on.
Sam 74 medical's getting started.
Go ahead and face your car. Just gonna make sure you don't have any weapons on you, okay?
Yeah. Right, definitely.
You don't have any weapons on you?
No.
What's in your pocket here?
That's glasses.
Okay. That's kind of what I felt like. I just want to make sure. Okay. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. I'm just going to detain you for the time being. You're not under arrest yet.
Sam 64, did you copy Sam 74's traffic?
Do you like your... Yep, just like that. Nope.
Fine.
Go ahead and come with me. I'm going to put you in my car and we're going to get out of the road.
Okay, that's cool.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Can you step up?
Yeah. I'll figure it out.
All right.
This is familiar.
Not what he's saying. He's saying no injuries. If you want to check him really quick, I'm going to pull out of the road.
I work for.
Yeah, I've got an. Yeah, I was going to say they're on their way over. I'm going to pull up over here just so I can start moving traffic.
I just got a notification. I was like, oh, I'll get the truck on the way by, but then I pulled around the corner. So
You can see in this screenshot that the driver named Mark Wagner appears to have a White Claw not in his hand, but on his hand. He was arrested on several charges, including extreme DUI. The local law enforcement agency says that it's a good thing that nobody was hurt in this case because of how dangerous driving under the influence is. That will do it for this episode of Copcast presented by Law&Crime. I'm Chris Stewart. Join us next time for the latest and most intense police incidents caught on camera.